Hey friends, if you encounter the Edgegdi dll missing error, the code execution cannot proceed, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. First of all, search for Microsoft C++ redistributable on any browser or search engine. Go to the first option, which is going to take you to the Microsoft C++ redistributable website. Click on Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2022. Scroll down and then select the x64 version. Click on open and then you can repair it. Okay. And then you can restart your computer. Then the next one is to run an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Okay. You can search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter. Now I'll tell you what it does. Since the issue is with the missing DLL and a DLL is a system file, this command will check for missing and corrupt DLLs on the system and replace them if possible. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.